Guys, this thing's amazing. Again, if you've never flown a drone before, this is where you need to start. Check it out, the link below, and get yours today. This is the best drone in the TikTok shop, and let me show you why. In the box, you get this carrying case that comes with a charger. You have a remote control. It comes with 2 batteries and this amazing and compact drone. It's a couple, an HD camera with a gimbal that goes up and down. Right above that, you have a collision camera to help prevent collision if your drone comes next to an object. I went ahead and downloaded the app, and this is what it looks like when you put your phone on it. Guys, I'm gonna take it outside and show you how this thing works. All right, 1 button takeoff. Whoa, look at this thing. 1 button for takeoff. The camera moving up and down. This thing is super stable. Wow. Hey everybody, hey! Holy cow. It does sideways, it does all kinds of things. You're a pro. It's great for anybody in the family, guys. My son, he can fly it. You know, you can fly it too. This thing is so cool. This thing's so easy to use. 1 touch landing. All you do is need to press this button 1 time and your drone lands automatically. How cool is that?